Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a board on the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here, as we have signed up, it's going to open up like this. So this is the first thing that you see after we have signed up. Here at the top, you can either share your Trello profile and join a team, or in the bottom, as if in the bottom, the thing that interests us is the creating a board. So you can tap on this, create your own board, and here we can select from a variety of templates. So we just want the basic board, and yeah, create board from template. We can name the board basic board, create board, and done. Now we have a board that we can work on. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.